Hello guys, 7:30 in the evening. I'm getting ready para sa dinner date namin ng husband ko. But I want to show you first what I've ordered from Amazon na na-deliver ngayon. So I have Cara Therapy Daily Smoothing Cream for this is heat activated. That makes really good on your hair. So I'm gonna share with you guys kapag ginamit ko na. I also have travel friendly Cetaphil because I'll be flying out to LA this week. And I have the lotion, Lumi, L'Oreal. I'm gonna try this today. I have a bigger version of Cetaphil. I really love this one. And I got Minimalist Niacinamide 5%. So I love niacinamide. I've been using this for almost 10 years now. So, yun lang guys. So yan guys, as I said, 7:30 na yan ng gabi. So, ang date namin is 8 o'clock. So, I have few minutes to get ready kasi 20 minutes away from our house yung restaurant. So, ayan, madaling-madali na talaga ako. So, I put on the L'Oreal Gloomy lotion just to have more tint in my skin. And lalagay din tayo ng konting concealer. Yan guys. So, grabe na. Pag mamadali ka talaga. Alam mo yun, yung kailangan mo pa rin siguraduhin maganda ka pagka aalis. Of course, especially if date yan, diba? Yan pa guys, yung contact lens ko na wala pa sa alignment ng mata. Yan. So, pumipikit-pikit pa ako dyan para ayusin. So, yan guys. Ayan. Yung ginamit kong BB cream. Eye White Korea yan guys. Lagi ako meron yan. Wala kasi ako mabilhan dito yan sa US. So, nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, bumibili talaga ako ng marami yan. So, meron akong nakastock para hindi ako nauubusan. Yan lang kasi hiyang talaga sa mukha ko. Saka, sobrang light lang yung paglagay sa skin. So, I like it. So, yan guys. Nag-lipstick na ako. Sobrang simple lang ng ayos na to. Casual dinner lang naman. And ginagawa namin yun, lumalabas kami minsan kapag meron kaming time. But this time guys, nalimutan ko. Nag-shopping pa kami bago ako nag-ayos. And then I realized na, oh my God, meron pala tayong date at 8 o'clock. So, yan. Ayan guys, yung paglagay ko ng blush on, sige na lang ng sige. Yan yung next na blush on. I like that kasi medyo may shimmer siyang kasama. So, ayan, sige na lang ng sige yung paglalagay ko. Ayan, inayos ko na lang din yung konti yung kilay. And then, maglagay din tayo ng next brow gel para naman steady yung kilay. Hindi ko naman na kailangan masyadong lagyan ng kulay kasi medyo makapal rin yung kilay ko guys. Ayan, so balik tayo sa hair. Maglagay muna pala tayo ng konting glitters sa eyes. Tara naman cute tayo at magandang tingnan. So yan, medyo ganyan ko lang yung buhok ko para medyo glow. Para may blow out effect. Nakita niyo guys yung pagmamadali ko. Buti na lang guys, madaling pasunurin yung buhok ko. Kaya kahit na konting pasada lang, sumusunod naman siya. Ayan, nalimutan ko palang maglagay ng mascara. So, gawin tayo ng mascara. Tapos kailangan ko rin maglagay ng konting eyeliner para naman magandang tingnan yung eyes natin. Siyempre, hindi tayo papaya guys na hindi maganda kapag nagpunta tayo sa restaurant. So, yan guys. Sinayos ko na naman yung buhok ko. Kailangan ko lang hatiin yan ng hindi naman gitnang-gitna. Pero hinahanap ko lang yung normal na paghati ng hair ko. And then, lagyan natin ng konting hairspray para naman mag-hold lang siya ng konti. So, yan guys, yung ginamit ko. And then, kailangan syempre mabango din tayo. Yun yung favorite kong pabango, Coco Chanel. And then, paborito ko rin to, Bath and Body na, I think this is guava body cream. So, mabango siya, kaya gusto ko rin siyang nilalagay kasi pampadagdag ng
guys, after 5 minutes, I'm ready. We're going to a fancy restaurant here in Indianapolis. It's called Season 52, and I'll show you guys and see you.
Nagda-drive na kami guys, papunta sa restaurant. So it will take about 20 minutes. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung restaurant pag nandun na kami. So yan na guys, papasok na kami ng compound kung nasan yung restaurant. It's called Season 52. So if you guys know Keystone area sa Indianapolis, so dun yan banda. So naghahanap lang kami muna ng parking para makapasok na kami sa loob. Marami ring tao, and kaya din kami nagmamadali kasi aside from yung reservation namin is at 8 o'clock. Pagsasara na rin yung restaurant ng 9, so we only have 1 hour.
I'm just showing them Keystone.
Guys, pagpasok namin, merong super gandang babae. Oh my god, artist sa akin yung mukha niya. Super sweet and super nice. So, yun guys.
To my beautiful bride.
My husband, my handsome husband. But I'm not gonna put some on the plate, so okay.
That's good.
Okay.
I think it's goat cheese. Whatever it is, I'll tell you, it's going to be good. Try it. Really good? Yeah, this stuff is like really good, really fattening, but really good.
You just get to put a little bit. So good. This is so good.
Oh my god. You like this song? This is Dire Straits. I love this band, and I think you'd really like them too. You've probably heard some of their music. They're really, really good. Very mellow. This is-
How was it?
So I wouldn't get it again. How's your salad?
Really good.
Yan guys, yung tomato soup nila, gustong gusto ko. Hindi ako masyado nag-order ng marami kasi kumain na ako bago kami nagpunta na. Kaya salad and soup lang yung in-order ko. But, oh my god guys, sulit. Ang sarap talaga ng pagkain dito. And, so, this is it guys for today's video. I hope you like it. If you want to see more of my videos, please follow, like, and share. Yun lang guys. See you!